bought my 2017 Ford F150 Ecoboost. We're gonna do some mods to it, like cool air intake.
So we have David over here. We're at his shop, DDAutocare once again. All right, so what do we have here, Ton?
This is the K&N cool air intake for the Ecoboost.
Let's see this bad boy. Ooh.
Yeah, eventually we want to paint this.
To the same color that...
I want to paint it like a lightning blue, a deep blue. But we'll do the painting another
time. All right, so we're gonna be starting up the engine and showing you what the engine sounds like with the stock intake. Be removing the stock intake. These are just held on by these clamps and you just want to loosen it up. One right there. There's behind. You're gonna remove these this top cover for the intake. You just pull that out. And this is the mass airflow sensor.
Yeah, we're gonna plug it into the bottom of this one here.
Yeah, it's a twist off and then pop it out. Oh, there we go.
So I heard I can remove these as well. These are intake silencers that Ford put in. Yeah. But I mean, we'll take it out for now.
So basically,
some people argue that we should leave it in because it spins the air a certain way and make it the intake a bit more effective.
Yeah.
But there's also a lot of people that argue we don't need it. So we're just gonna take it out for now. If I need to put them back in, we'll we'll put them back in.
Yeah, it should be pretty easy since it's just like held on by these clamps. You no longer need the stock intake. This just goes over the top like this. Now you want to just push this metal tab back on to lock it in. Is it supposed to be this loose?
Seems a little loose.
It's pretty loose. Once we close up the tab, it's still pretty loose. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using this stock filter and we're just going to cut around it and pretty much use this side pad to kind of tighten up the joint.
To kind of seal up the connection.
Yeah.
Matt did a great job, so he cut the rubber seal or outline around the stock filter. Lay it out like this. Come on, man.
Can't find the hole?
I can't find the hole.
Yo, you messed up the seal. You gotta take it up again. I'm just gonna rip it.
Okay. Very strong, man.
Alright, yeah, this should probably be better now. We actually probably don't even need the sides as well. We just need the front.
Okay.
Because this one has this. Yeah, and I can't close it because there's too much.
Okay.
So gonna have to probably just one side.
No. I think it's this side, right?
Let's see just these two sides. Alright.
Oh yeah. Wow, that fits much better. While we have this open, do you want to like try to take out that tube that connects the blow-off valve to the recirculation system? I think it's this one right here.
Have to remove that tube?
Yeah.
And once you take it out, like what do you do?
To allow the blow-off valve to vent to the atmosphere, it's just a tube that recirculates the blow-off valve air back into the
Basically,
system.
You just want to disconnect it.
You take out the tube and you have to disconnect it at the blow-off valve as well.
But then won't there be a hole left open?
Oh, that's why I went to Home Depot and I bought the plug. I read on the forums that you can go to like any hardware store and these are like rubberized leg tips for furniture. You want 1 1/4 inch. That will plug up the hole that would have been where the air recirculates back from the blow-off valve. Keep dust from coming in.
Nice, you got it. You just have it disconnect it, and then once they will have it on the lift, you can get the other side.
We'll get the blow-off valve side.
Okay, so right now we gotta plug up the
hole.
And how much was this plug?
$2.60.
All right, so let's see how you would do it.
Yeah, that's it. Twist. Make sure it's really in there. So this tube went from the electronic blow-off and connects to the intake. So what we did was earlier, we disconnected from the intake. Now on the lift, we were able to take it off from the blow-off valve. So here's your blow-off valve. So you would have just given it a twist and it comes off like pretty easily. And you can leave that open. So that way your blow-off valve will vent to atmosphere. That's what the VTA mod is.
That's pretty simple.
Yeah, but it makes the truck sound a lot better.
We plugged it up. Now we're gonna put in the intake. So you just stick it in and that's it.
Yeah.
Now we're just gonna tighten everything up. So how much horsepower are you gonna get from this?
2.
All that work for 2 horsepower?
What I'm after is to hear the engine a bit more. You know, with the cold air intake, it'll help the turbos, they'll boost better. So you'll hear them a bit more.
It's gonna sound a lot like more air gushing in.
Yeah.
All right, so now Tan is gonna go start the car and he's gonna rev it up a few times. All right, go. Your keys? Where? Oh. Oh. That sounds so good. Wait, do it again. Yeah. Sounds so much better. So that completes the intake install on the Ford F150 Ecoboost. Basically, you want to get yourself this rubber leg tips from Home Depot.
Well,
and
this is not required for the cold air intake.
Oh, this is not required?
No, this is for the VTA mod.
If you guys ever want to do it, you just get this and plug it up. So that concludes this video on Tan's Ford F150. And we'll see you guys next time. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe. See you guys.